Hello! The idea of my YouTube channel is to show you how easy it is to cook for yourself and your family and friends. Preparing a meal may be a challenge for you on a daily basis, so I want to provide an actionable solution. Each video presents an international recipe, and you'd be amazed what great dishes you can make with so few ingredients. You don't have the time to find out and write down all the components and steps of a video recipe. And you don't want to go back and forth with wet fingers rewinding your video recipe while cooking. Here, you see immediately an illustration of the required ingredients for each recipe. And the instructions are on one page only. So let's dive in. Please read the instructions on the following page and pause the video. For more specific cooking ideas, you find all recipes in my playlist, where you can choose videos by number of ingredients, preparation time, cultural region, nutritional base, or type of meal. You can also enter any ingredient in the search box of my channel to find the right videos. My goal is to publish a huge library of quick and easy recipes, so do me a favor and subscribe to my channel to make it happen. In case you need a conversion table of the metrics, there is one in the description below. And if you want even more inspiration, you also find dozens of other food-related books below the video.